This monkey wants bananas now, but his leaves are doing that thing where they're not enough. So what does he do? He pulls out the legendary leaf card. Yes, in human terms, that's a credit card. A leaf card lets you buy bananas today and pay for them later. It's like saying, Monkey Bank, spot me the leaves, I promise I'm good for it. Here's the deal. When our monkey uses the leaf card, Monkey Bank pays the banana stand first. So the banana stand gets its leaves immediately, everyone's happy, bananas are exchanged, Monkey starts chewing like he won the jungle lottery. But then Monkey Bank turns around and says, cool, now you owe us those leaves back. Usually you get about 30 days, give or take depending on the card, before Monkey Bank expects payment. Translation, it's not free bananas, it's borrowed leaves. Now, Monkey Bank does not give leaf cards to just any monkey, because some monkeys, how do I put this nicely, have a history of vanishing into the trees when the bill arrives. So the bank uses a magic number called a credit score. It's basically, how likely is this monkey to pay us back? Benchmarks in the jungle. 740 plus is good monkey energy. 800 plus is very good, trustworthy silverback behavior. Below 580 is not worth eating. Not worth eating, not worth lending, not worth the risk. Banana garbage tier. If someone steals your leaf card, you don't usually lose your leaves right away because it's the bank's leaves on the line. And banks love protecting their own leaves. They'll freeze the card, investigate, and fight the fraud, like a gorilla guarding the last banana on Earth. If you accidentally buy fake bananas, many card companies help you dispute the charge. Basically, bank, I got scammed. And the bank is like, we also hate scammers. Let's bonk them. And then there are rewards. Some leaf cards give you banana points you can use on stuff like hotels, restaurants, and other places monkeys go to pretend they're financially stable. Some give banana miles for monkey flights. Yes, even monkeys fly now. The future is weird. If you don't pay the bank back on time, the bank charges you interest. Interest is the extra cost of borrowing leaves. It's like borrowing 100 leaves, and the bank says, pay me back 100 plus a little banana-flavored pain. Compound interest means the debt grows and then grows on the growth, like a vine that wraps around your wallet. Example, 2% monthly interest. You owe 100 leaves. Next month, 102 leaves. Next month, 104.04 leaves. Then it keeps climbing until you're out here paying interest on interest on interest, and suddenly you're working overtime peeling bananas for strangers. And fees. Oh, the fees. Setup fees, late fees, annual fees. Fees for being a day late. Fees for breathing wrong, and even fees for buying bananas in another monkey country. Welcome to international bananas. That'll be 3% extra, global ape. All right. Leaf cards can be amazing, or they can turn your finances into a banana peel slip compilation. So here are the survival rules. Rule number 1, check the APR. APR is basically the yearly interest rate, the how hard will the bank slap my wallet if I don't pay number. Lower is better. Rule number 2, only spend what you can afford. If you can't pay it off, you're not buying bananas, you're renting bananas at a terrifying price. Rule number 3, keep credit utilization below 30%. Credit utilization is how much of your total leaf card limit you're using. If the bank says you can borrow 1,000 leaves, try not to use more than 300, because when you're always maxed out, the bank thinks this monkey is living on the edge of the tree branch. So remember, credit cards, leaf cards are powerful tools. They can protect you, reward you, and build your credit, but they demand one thing, great responsibility. Because if you mess around, compound interest will swing down from the canopy and suplex your budget. Use the leaf card. Don't let the leaf card use you. Apes together strong.